Hey everyone, I'm CyberTutor. Linux commands are the foundation of working efficiently in Linux. Unlike GUIs, the command line gives you precision, speed, and full control over your system. As cybersecurity professionals, you'll often find yourself in environments where the command line is the only option, so mastering it is a must. Let's start with some basic navigation commands. pwd, print working directory. This shows your current location in the file system. Example: if you're in the /home/user folder, typing pwd will display /home/user. lslist, use this to view the contents of a directory. Add -l for a detailed list or -a to see hidden files. Example: ls-la gives you a comprehensive view. cd, change directory. Move between directories. Example: cd/etcnr takes you to the etcnr folder, while cd ... moves you up one level. These commands help you navigate Linux like a pro, which is crucial when analyzing systems or investigating security breaches. Now let's manipulate files and folders. Touch, create an empty file. Example: touch report.txt creates a new file named report.txt. mkdir, create a directory. Example: mkdir cybersecurity creates a folder named cybersecurity. mv, move or rename files. Example: mv report, tdxt, home, user.documents moves the file to the documents folder. rm, remove files, and use rmr to delete directories. Example: rm-r old files deletes the folder and its contents. Remember, these commands are powerful, so be cautious. There's no recycle bin in the command line. When analyzing systems, you'll need to view and edit files. Here's how. cat, display the contents of a file. Example: catlog.txt shows the contents of log.txt. Nano, a simple text editor for making changes. Example: nanoconfig.txt opens the file in the nano editor. Permissions are divided into 3 groups: owner, group, and others. Understanding permissions is key to securing files and preventing unauthorized access. As cybersecurity students, you'll work with networking commands frequently. Ping, test connectivity to another system. Example: ping google.com checks if you can reach Google servers. ifconfig or IP, view and configure network interfaces. Example: ifconfig shows your IP address and network details. netstat, view active network connections and listening ports. Example: netstat -enlists all connections. These tools are crucial for monitoring and securing networks. Before we wrap up, here are some tips. Practice daily. The more you use these commands, the more comfortable you'll become. Use a virtual lab. Tools like VirtualBox let you experiment without risking your main system. Stay curious. Explore Linux distributions like Kali Linux to see how they're tailored for cybersecurity. Let's recap today's session. We learned how to navigate the file system using pwd, ls, and cd. You now know how to create, move, and delete files with commands like touch, mkdir, and rm. We explored viewing and editing files using cat, nano, and less. You got a glimpse of networking commands like ping and ifconfig. These basics will be the foundation of your Linux skills as you progress in cybersecurity. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Linux for Cybersecurity Students. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into Linux permissions and user management. Don't forget to check out our blog, Cyber News on Substack, for daily updates on tech and cybersecurity in a quick, easy-to-digest format. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're ready for the next lesson. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay secure.